Hey friends, what's going on guys? So this video is a quick tutorial about how you can upload your photos and share its link with your friends. Okay, so one of my subscribers and 2-3 others have asked me that how you can do it via PC. So I'm sharing this demonstration with you. So first of all, you have to go to the google.com and you need to be sure that you are logged in via your Google account. Okay, so this one I have logged in via my Google account, and now I will go and click on the drive, Google Drive. So this is the Google Drive which has opened in my PC. So here you can see already some photos are there which I have already uploaded. So I will click new, and here you can do folder upload as well as file upload. So I will click on file upload. Now I will choose the file which I want to upload. For example, I will just click this car image and I will try to upload this. So as you can see here, it is uploading, and after it gets uploaded, it will say upload complete. And if you click this icon here, then you can find here this has been uploaded. Okay, so now you don't have to do anything. You just have to right click here on this image, and here you can see share and get shareable link. So this get shareable link you need to click on, and your link will get copied in the clipboard. So if you want to check what is the link, you can just copy it in your notepad. For example, I am using this notepad plus and I am pasting it. So here this one is the link, and this link you can share with your friends on WhatsApp, on email, and anywhere. So for example, I'll just open it in a new tab and see if I can open this file. So this file, as you can see, I will be able to open it. Yes, it has got opened successfully, and here I can even download this file. If I click this download button, so it will get downloaded in my browser. As you can see here, it has got downloaded. So that's all friend, this was a quick tutorial on how you can share your photos via your friends through a link on WhatsApp or wherever you want. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will be helping you definitely. Thank you for watching, and do hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.